this is separation anxiety. Two herd mates have gone off on a little trail ride and she is anxious about that. I'm doing very little, I'm just stood here. Being a centre space of comfort for her. If she wants to find it, I'm here. Breathing, grounding. You can see how tight her mouth is, how tense her body is, how alert she is and aroused. That's the gate they left at. So she's obviously concentrating on that area. Head shaking, frustration. When I get an opportunity, I'm going to call for attention so that she can start connecting with me a little bit. So she acknowledges me with her ear as I take a few steps. I then back up to the place where I was. There's some mastication, so she is processing a little bit better. So that's 3 minutes in. Still not letting go. So this is about letting her know that they can go and come and she's okay. So I'm in here to give her company. I'm moving away from the shoulder because I don't think she has a true idea of where I am. But it gives you a really good visual of a horse that is anxious when she is left behind. What I think is fascinating about this conversation is that she's seeking, she's looking, she's calling, she's frustrated, she's anxious, but she has enough within her to keep herself just on threshold. The moments that she calls and starts shaking her head means that she's pushing herself over the anxiety threshold. But when she comes to a stop and she's able to connect with me there, it means that she is still able to drop herself slightly lower. Good lass. I'm not going to chase around and try to distract her too much. Like I say, the only physical intervention that I'm making is if she gets too close with too high arousal and I feel that she has no spatial awareness. Hello, good girl. And she's not able to be aware of the space that I need to keep safe. So I don't want her barging into me. Like I say, she's a powerful horse, and we need to keep ourselves safe at all times, even under the banner of ethical coaching. You still have to consider the difference between the strength and power of a horse and the strength and power of a human being. I mean, there is no comparison, obviously.